Welcome back to another episode of Matchmaker Monday, Zipper Tape Edition. We have been so busy here in our shop in Dunallen, Florida this week. I'm simply exhausted, but I'm having so much fun. The reason that we're so tired is we got over 70 boxes shipped in. We've got brand new number 5 nylon zipper tape, which I'm showing you in the video today. We also got a bunch of restocks. So if you are on our newsletter, you probably got that newsletter from us a couple of days ago. And we also got lots of new vinyls that I can't wait to share with you, but I'm sending that off to some talented bag makers to sew up some inspiration bags for you so you can see what those vinyls look like on real bags. So today we're just going to go through quickly all of the new zipper tape colors and how they match up with our recently added faux leathers. So the milled grain faux leather, distressed grain, and the saddle soft, in addition to one brand new faux leather that we have added to the site as well. At Sew Yours, I want to make shopping easy for you. That is why I like to bring in zipper tape and thread that matches our faux leathers and faux suedes so that they are perfect matches. And so I'm excited now to be offering many more colors of our zipper tape. Let's begin our show today with our Savannah suede in the color rose and our number 5 nylon zipper tape in the color rose. All of these fabrics that I'm showing you today, as well as the zipper tapes, are going to have the names corresponding with each other, with the exception of one, which I'll point out when we get to that. So rose is one of our newest additions that we added last year to our Savannah suede lineup. I think this is such a beautiful shade of like a dusty pink color, and I would say that the nickel and the light gold rose zipper tape is a perfect match. Next up, we have a brand new product line. This is our micro pebble texture faux leather in the color Rosewood mauve, with the Rosewood mauve in the light gold and the gunmetal. This is a new product for us because if you have already purchased our distressed grain faux leather in the color Rosewood mauve, unfortunately we can no longer get that product, and we had already ordered our zipper tape to match that color, so we had to find another product to match the zipper tape that was already in production. So that is why we selected this particular fabric, sight unseen. But I gotta tell you, it's actually a better match, I would say, to the distressed grain faux leather in the Rosewood mauve. So you can see these here all side by side. So if you do already own the distressed grain in the Rosewood mauve, it's still gonna work with this here, but I do like the match much better here with the new micro pebble texture faux leather. And I do plan in the very near future to order more colors in this product line because I love it so much. It has a matte finish to it, very little shine. It has a great, really micro texture to it. Here we have our saddle soft in the color taupe, and this actually just happened by accident. I noticed that our Java colored zipper tape in the light gold and the antique brass work beautifully with the taupe saddle soft, so I wanted to show that pairing for you. So this is that one instance where the zipper tape does not match the fabric name. And to show you what the Java looks like alongside here, this is what the Java looks like with the Java zipper tape. So in actuality, I think that it matches better with the taupe here, but it's going to still work with either product. Here we have our saddle soft faux leather in the color magenta, paired up with our jam colored zipper tape in nickel, light gold, and gunmetal. And the reason that the names differ here is because we also have a very similar color in our milled grain faux leather, which is called jam. So this is what the jam zipper tape and the jam faux leather look like together. I think this is a almost perfect match right here. Love this combination, and these colors are just stunning. Here we have our milled grain faux leather in the color dark teal with our dark teal zipper tape in light gold and antique brass. Here we have our milled grain faux leather in thistle with our thistle zipper tape in nickel and light gold. I love both of these combinations. I think that they are so pretty, such a soft and sweet color. Here we have our milled grain in honey mustard with the honey mustard in light gold and antique brass. Here is our powder blue distressed grain faux leather with the nickel and the light gold. I'm going to give this one a close match. It did not come out as close as I would have liked it to, but this is the closest match zipper tape that we could have gotten to pair up with the distressed grain and the powder blue color. Here's distressed grain and terracotta with light gold and antique brass. I'd give this one a perfect match. I love this combination so much. I've saved the best for last, or at least in my opinion. Here is our Merlot in the distressed grain with light gold and antique brass. This looks so rich and luxurious together. And on my next order, I'm actually going to add in some rose gold zipper tape because the rose gold against this Merlot color is absolutely stunning, and I'm going to be making a bag out of that because I just love that combination. So for now, we've got the light gold and the antique brass. I hope you found this video helpful. You could shop all of our zipper tapes and faux leathers on our website at sewyours.com. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next Monday.